Explain to us that about what there are companies that consider that customer service in the some companies important, like some you have difficulty, you know exactly what is a good service. That's about who companies usually rely on the what the customer really wants, but sometimes they don't in account the real needs of the consumer. As explained, it's very important to take account that perception it is vital or the proper function of it. It's also important to understand that customer service and customer service requirements can and will differ not only between industries and companies, but also between market segments. It gives you okay for customer service police the successful or most the previously objectives around a property framework that include the link with the customers and them measures, monitor and control the producers that have between as villages. There are service elements which can be called the product involvement. There's a those homes that they represent evaluate the product, the asset or defend the spend of delivery and after sales support. There is a long list, but some of the list not relevant products. The product involved elements are very important. They determine for final demand of products. In order points when made the position of sourcing the right time in the right place at the right cost at the right quality. The definition you got the can be extended the one code they consider the 7 customer service right, the amount, cost, product, customer, time, place, and condition.
We will talk a little about developing a consumer service policies. A company must have a consumer service policy. You must develop on the basis of consumer service requirements, and appropriate logistic operation must be established to provide the service. The main steps are: number one, identify the main elements of the service to identify the appropriate market segments. Number two, determine the relative importance of each service element. Number three, establish the competitiveness of the company at the current service levels offered. Number four, to identify the different service requirements of different market segments. Number five, develop a specific consumer service package. Number six, to determine the monitoring and control procedures. Number seven, levels of consumer service, and number eight, measurement of consumer service.